guys, hi. Okay, let's not waste the time and start the video because it's like 15 minutes only I have. In today's video, we are gonna see, can we flip the bottle if the bottle is fully filled? Because according to some science law, it says that something in gravity and all that, it should be like half the filled water and it cannot stand. And your bro is gonna break that law because we are against science. Let's go. We have only 15 chances, okay? This is interesting. Chance 1. See the shape of the bottle. Chance 2. Chance 3. Oh. Chance 5. No. Chance 6. No. Chance 7. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Oh no. You know what, guys? Last 4 chances. One. Oh! 3. Oh! Last chance. It was about to stand. You know what, guys? Now to make it more interesting, yes, I will have 10 chances, but if I will miss one chance, I will do 3 push-ups as a punishment. So it's 3 into 10, like 30 push-ups. Okay, it is fun, okay? I have 10 chances now. Okay, now I will do everything seriously till now I was doing just for fun. Now it's time for like 10 chances. Okay, you are counting, I'm also counting. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go. Oh fuck. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh. 1, 2, 3. You know what, guys? I'm tired now. So I will do my rest of 6 hands now only. Then I will do push-ups in bunch. Okay, this is 7th. Or I guess this is 6th. Last chance, I guess. I guess it's last chance, I guess. 6 into 3. Let's go. Let's do 18 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm tired. More 10 to go. More 10. Let's go. Let's try one more time. If I completed this challenge in this one chance, sorry, no, 3 chance, my all push-ups are minused, okay? Oh! You know what, guys? Let's end the video here. I will meet you in the next video. Until, if you guys will give how much? 50 likes, I will do 50 push-ups. Okay? And yes, I will record a video and I will post it. Okay? 50 likes.